Alright, Gary's getting a new car today. Just signing some paperwork, so it's gonna be official, guys. This car is super clean in and out. Can't wait to take it out for a spin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Ikigai channel.
What up, guys? I know I said I probably would have picked up Evo, but going back to the Honda gang, another RSX.
Oh shit. Type S.
This is a 2004. Just picked it up last week. My boy Matt. It's a pretty good deal. He did the rear conversion
For the 06, was it 05 and up?
Yeah, 05, 06 front and rear conversion. There's a decent amount of things that he did to the car that's worth a little bit of money. I think got the car for a steal. Headers and exhausts are a little bit loud for my taste.
Oh shit, these are some nice brakes. Oh damn, Rotor with work wheels. Nice.
Like I said, the header exhaust combination he has on the car is a little bit loud for my taste. Just got a new exhaust in. It's an Invidia Q300. It's one of the quieter exhausts.
You had this on your old RSX too, right?
Exactly, I had the same exhaust on my turbo RSX, and it was perfect. Cold startups were nice and mild, highways not drony at all, and then when you really got on it, you could hear it.
Nice, nice. Can't wait to put these on. Nice, so we have the exhaust laid out on the floor here, just to give us an idea of the piping. Oh, sweet, nice.
Finally got the exhaust off. It seemed like it was a little bit of an ordeal, but Matt got it.
We both got it. That shit was a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Oh man. Alright, now we're gonna put this new shiny bad boy in the car. Alright, we just got the exhaust on. Look at that.
3-inch.
Looks like a 4-inch exhaust tip.
Alright, this is gonna be the first startup. Nice and quiet, hopefully.
Check it for leaks.
Yeah. Oh, I see Wei.
What's up, Wei? Taking a little break. We ordered some pho.
The JDM, yo. JDM cars, JDM eats.
There we go.
I'm gonna be more interested in the food than the cars.
While Gary's working on his car, I'm gonna show you guys how to take care of rust spots. I'm gonna start sanding this down. Yeah. Definitely needs to be painted before the winter comes, before it gets even worse. What's the point of view taking off this rear bumper for?
So, as you can see in the trunk, there's a little bit of water. And this is a very, very common problem with all these RSXs. We're gonna take off the taillights and put new gaskets on, and that's usually fixes the problem.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Otherwise, I'm gonna get some fish for this trunk back here.
Nice, a little pond. Get some koi fish here.
Yeah, yo, keep it mad Asian.
Yep. We got the new gaskets in the taillight. We put some sealant in it, hold in some pressure, make sure everything seals. Funny thing is, the last guy, he had gaskets on, but he left these, I guess, non-stick coverings on, and the gasket never stuck to the car. That's probably why it was still leaking. Yeah. So we did it right. We put in some butyl sealant in there as well.
Alright guys, thanks for watching till the end of the video. That's all for today. Next video, we'll show you a more detailed way of fixing your rust spots. So subscribe and follow us on Instagram for more updates.